Our defensive pistol course is a completely range-based course that focuses on real-world defensive scenarios. Foregoing the classroom time, this course of fire is designed to build speed and accuracy into your shooting skill that could save your life. Created through years of combat experience and police interaction, this class will change the way you feel about carrying your firearm. You can expect to learn effective holster draws, multiple target engagement, target prioritization, and other critical skills. If you're ready for the most effective defensive pistol training in Arizona, call us today.